If you've ever felt frustrated by hair thinning or slow regrowth, you've probably been tempted by products that promise fast results. And one of the latest to pop up everywhere is the Eloura hair growth serum roll. The brand advertises it as a breakthrough solution that can reduce thinning in just a few weeks, nourish follicles from the root, and work safely for all hair types, which sounds like a dream come true for anyone dealing with hair loss. But when we look beyond the glossy ads and marketing claims, things start to look a little less convincing. First, the company makes bold promises without providing a single clinical study or dermatologist backing to prove the product works as described, which is a major red flag for any health or beauty treatment. Then there are the marketing tactics. They rely heavily on urgency-driven offers like buy one, get one free, low stock, and sale ends tonight, all designed to push customers into making a quick purchase without taking time to research. Another issue is the unrealistic timelines. Genuine hair regrowth usually takes months of consistent treatment, yet Eloura suggests noticeable changes can happen in just a few weeks, which is highly unlikely. The before and after photos they showcase also raise suspicion, since several appear to be copied or recycled from other sites rather than being authentic results from real customers. On top of that, there's no dermatologist approval, no clinical trials, and no solid scientific evidence backing up the formula, just vague claims and flashy advertising. While the product isn't necessarily outright harmful, the lack of transparency combined with these aggressive sales tactics makes it difficult to trust. The final verdict isn't about saying the Eloura hair growth serum roll is completely fake, but it's definitely not something you should blindly believe in without proof. With so many red flags and unanswered questions, it's best to approach with extreme caution before spending your money on it, because sometimes what looks like a miracle solution online ends up being more about marketing than real results.